Sammy, what's going on here?
I'm getting ready for my birthday. Isn't it nice?
Don't you think it's a bit too much? Let me help you.
Okay, let's do it, Sue.
But first things first. Happy birthday, Sammy.
How nice. Thanks. But what is it?
Patience, my friend. You'll see in a moment.
Open it faster, Sue. I'm so curious.
This set will make your party super duper fun.
Holy cannoli, that's amazing! Do you like it, guys? Wow, there are so many cool things here. Sue, is there a garland there? Let's hang it!
Sure. Here it is, Sammy.
But it's too small. I want it to be bigger. Look at this garland. This size is perfect.
It's just a preview, Sammy. Look at this.
The space party is gonna rock!
Let's cut your garland out first.
I can't wait for this legendary party to begin! Ah!
Now, we need to fold it this way.
Don't worry, Sue. It's special space training.
That's what it'll look like. Oh, do you need help, Sammy?
Nope. Everything is going according to plan. Ugh.
Then, I'll clear some space for your training.
Finished. Now I'm ready for any... Huh?
Whoa!
Sue, what is it? Looks like fun.
These are party games. I'll glue them now.
So, how do we play them?
I'll show you. We'll need markers. First, we gotta help the telescope find stars.
I see. Let's match the rocket and the planet.
I'll use a different color.
I got it. In the next game, we need to find words. Yay!
Right! Have you found any?
Just give me a second. Uh-huh. We gotta find these words. Guys, do you see any of them? I see blessed. Sue, circle it before I lose it again. These games are so cool. I'm sure my guests will love them too. Sue, I want to try coloring, can I?
Sure, Sammy. Look, you're so cute here.
I'm gonna be not just cute, but also pink. And finished. It looks awesome. How do we play the other games?
Look, here, we need to outline this astronaut.
It looks tricky. I don't think that just anyone can do it.
You just need to be careful and move slowly.
Look at this. I love tic-tac-toe. Can't wait to play.
We have lots of games here. For example, color all the stars, or get through the labyrinth, or find 5 differences. And here, you can note down your results.
Sue, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Color everything before the party?
Oh, yeah. Oh, my feta, it's beautiful. And we still have some games to play at the party! Yay!
So, have you decided who are you going to invite?
Sure, and I'll send them these amazing invitations.
Whose names shall I write?
Barbie! She's the soul of any party! And Ken, of course!
Here you go, Sammy. What about the dates?
I can't wait, Sue! Let's make it today! Let's invite Penguin and Elsa, too. They'll love this party.
Okay, the invitations are ready. Huh? What was that?
Huh? Huh? What's this?
What? I've got something else. Can you guess what it is, Sammy?
I think these are plates for my birthday cake.
Nope. Try again. Any ideas?
No, I still don't understand what it... Ah! Ah! I got it! These are space-themed party hats.
Exactly. They're cute, right?
Yep, I'm taking the one with Lil Sammy. Now, what about food?
I'm not sure what we'll eat, but I know how to serve it. Here, we'll have sweets.
Wow, I really love it. Popcorn buckets, bottle labels, cupcake toppers. We've got so much cool stuff. Sue, it's officially the best gift in the world.
If you want to have the same set, guys, check the link in the description. Now, let's move on with the bottle labels.
We even have measurements listed here. How convenient! I hope our cupcakes will be as pretty as these toppers.
I'm sure of it. Your taste in sweets has never let us down. Voila! Look how cute it is.
Look, Sue, I'm a master of origami.
Awesome! It's just what we need. I can't wait to use these lovely decorations.
Sue, we're almost there. Take a look. Let's get it started, yeah. We need more soda. Whee! It's gonna be legendary. No popcorn, no party. Yay!
Sammy, watch out. Be careful with food.
Oops, sorry, I got carried away.
Yeah, I've noticed.
Sue, take this popcorn before it's too late.
Ta-da! What about these boxes?
I've got a great idea. Gummy bears, your time has come. Ready, steady, go! Fill the boxes! Faster, faster, hurry up!
Wow, you've got them under control.
Good, bears. I'm so proud of you. Great job.
We also have stickers. Should we use them as well?
Awesome. Gotta choose where to stick them. Where shall we put them? Aha!
You can use this one, Sammy.
I've got a great idea. It's gonna be fantastic. Anyone would want to drink out of such a cup.
And anyone would want to play this cosmic game. Haha.
Cool. But we need to think of game pieces. I'll find the best game pieces. Maybe this? Nope. Huh? What is this doing here? It's a bit too big and heavy. Ouch! Definitely too big.
Sammy, we already have these rocket-shaped game pieces.
Wow, they're perfect.
Sammy, you can choose the rocket you like most.
Of course, it's gonna be pink. Can we start?
Everything's ready. Invite your guests.
Woohoo! What an amazing party! Hey, what are you doing?
We're busy. I won. No, it was me.
Huh, must be an exciting game. Come on, you can do it!
I'll do it! I'll do it! I overestimated myself.
The best party ever! Yay!
These space games are so interesting. Whee! We've got a surprise for you, Sammy.
I almost forgot!
Ta-da! Happy birthday, Sammy!
Wow, guys, is it really for me? I'm so happy. I did it! Hooray!
Happy birthday.
You're great, Sammy. Be happy in pink. Sammy, you're very important to me. I want... Huh?
Oops! Did you say anything?